In order to find out how bold the seagulls are, I'm going to be quite bold myself. I've got a prawn sandwich and I'm going to take it out and see if they come in for a grab. It's really unnerving actually because I can feel them all around me. They're flying increasingly close to me. It's a bit like watching a horror movie where you know something bad's going to happen, but you don't know when it's going to happen. Well, there was just a flash of wings and feet, and it was a bit like being mugged, if I'm honest.
In less than a minute, the gull targets me from behind, knocks the sandwich and provokes a feeding frenzy.
Didn't take my fingers, thankfully.
But what's really impressive is how it appeared to spot my sandwich from about 50 metres away.
It was a fast, silent attack, and I'd kind of like to know how they managed to achieve that because it happened out of nowhere.